Hi, I'm Sue from createwithsue.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel using the ScanNCut and creating projects with paper crafting, vinyl, HTV, applique. We cover lots of crafts. I've got various things. I like to test out all the various projects that you can create with the machine. The channel is designed to help you learn how to use your machine and how to learn Canvas Workspace, and we're branching out into how to learn applique and other areas of using your ScanNCut to the best of its ability. I have 3 machines. So I have the SDX 2200D, which you can see behind me. Just go down a little bit. That other one in the bottom is the SDX 1000, and I also have a CM 900, which is the older model. 2 of them read PES files and the other one doesn't. So you don't need to have PES for applique. So if you're particularly interested in applique, you don't need to have PES. It makes it easier, yes, but it's not impossible to still create great applique designs with your ScanNCut. Like and subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on any tutorials, and I'll see you in my videos. See ya.